Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again once more with some things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Is it? Alright, now first things first. I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to listen to a phone conversation between two persons and tell me what I think about the phone conversation. One of those persons in the phone conversation is believed to be a scammer, and the other person is believed to be a person who someone was trying to scam. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this phone conversation to you, my viewers and subscribers. I want you to listen carefully and tell me what I think. Observe.
Okay, sir. So now, sir, what you have to do, sir, is just have your government claiming card to claim your card.
Listen.
Okay?
Listen.
And your government claiming card, sir, is your $1 gift card. Do you familiar with it?
I am familiar with that.
Do you familiar with
Okay.
it? Do you
And
feel...
you know where to go to have it?
No, I don't.
To Walgreens or the TV at drugstore.
Okay.
Do you familiar with it?
And how far you live from the TV at drugstore, sir?
Maybe about half an hour.
Half an hour. Okay, sir. And sir, the only thing you have to have is your $1 gift card.
Okay.
Okay? And that is the problem for you to have?
No.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And it's going to cost you $999, okay?
What
Yeah,
you
yeah,
going to do what now?
It's going to cost you $999.
Okay, so that's what I'm going to put on the card?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, that. Listen.
Okay. And this is your cell phone or this is your home phone?
This is my cell phone.
Yeah, the cost. You hear the cost. My people, you hear the cost where the person on the phone says it's going to cost the other person. Eh? I tell you. Listen some more, my people. Just listen.
Okay, sir. So, sir, you see my callback number on your caller screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you could you remember my name?
I don't remember. What's your name?
My name is Mr. David Sawyer.
Remember,
I am your prize representative. I am the one with the delivery team. You're going to see arrive at your place of residential, okay?
Okay. So when I get the card for the vanilla card for $990, how much?
$999.
What am I going to do with that?
You're just going to have it in your hand. You're going to come straight home with your cards, and then you gave Mr. David Sawyer a call, and you're going to let me know that we could have your price register for your delivery to happen right away. Today on your big black day, you're going to receive your cashier's check along with your brand new Mercedes-Benz car.
Your cashier's
Wow. And all it's going to cost me is $999.
Isn't it?
All it's going to cost me is $999.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Listen up.
You sound like you're from Jamaica.
Listen.
No, sir.
Where you from?
Pardon?
Where you from? Because the call says it's coming from Kingston, Jamaica.
Oh my gosh.
No, sir. I in Queens, New York, Jamaica.
Oh, okay. You know what? You are a crook. And I've just recorded your I'm going to give this to the FBI. You are a crook. Get off the phone. You bum. Go get a job.
Yes, man, they're back there.
Let's play this back.
My people, me not tell a lie. You see me I say, the thing just look weird. You see me I say, you know, this scamming thing, I put a bad name on Jamaica. No, and a real, you know, even though you see me I laugh and I might smile when certain things are said in the phone conversation, You see me I say? Because that phone conversation is from a video, you know. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Even though you see me smile or me even laugh and so forth, you know, it make me feel a way. You know, because them things are put a certain name on Jamaica. You see, it just look away, my people. You see, I make you know about that phone conversation. My people tell me what they think. And be careful of scammers out there. See me I say, yeah, me don't know about nobody else. But if someone call me and tell me, say, oh, you win a prize or you have something to collect, but it's going to cost you something, keep it. Yeah, keep it. Me will work for what me want. Yeah, keep that. Me alright. You see it? What's up? Make you have to call me, tell me, say me have big money for collect or something for collect, but it have to cost me. Why you not take the money out of what you say you have for me? Eh? Eh? Be careful of scammers out there, my people. Yeah, man. And anybody not like what I say? I assume that person or persons are scammers. Now, I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded. The video shows when a female was being detained or arrested by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. In the video, you can hear when at least one shot had been fired, and allegedly, it is said that the shot had been fired by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, this video has been talked about on social media, and according to some comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that there are persons who are talking about how the police treated the female. See? And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation shown in this video. But please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. In this video, you can hear an explosion that is said to be a gunshot allegedly fired by the police. The video shows a certain amount of civilians, and the video also shows a certain amount of law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, tell me what you think, my people.
You're going to think you're suit you. You can't sue nobody now run like on a blood clot, idiot. You're not going to run like on a idiot. You can't shot nobody. When you look, don't run. The blood clot now run for. Don't run. Why y'all running? Why not run for? When I run like an idiot.
Well, my people, if you look at the video carefully and look at words on a police service vehicle shown in the video, you might get an understanding as to which police division law enforcers who you can see in the video are from within the country of Jamaica. You understand me? Yeah, so my people, you know, there's not much information I got about the whole situation shown in the video. You see me I say? I saw the video on social media, and someone also sent me the video as well. That's one of the reasons why I started to, you know, think about this video, and I did some research, but I didn't get much information about the whole situation. As I say, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, have any confirmed information about the situation, you can also let me know. You understand? But the video is being talked about on social media, and I presented the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. Tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the police treated the female badly or not. You can tell me what you think about the whole situation overall. All right? Anyways, some time ago, I posted a video asking my viewers and subscribers to go over to a YouTube channel and listen to a song that is called Can't Return that had been done by Uncle Mark. And then I asked my viewers and subscribers to send me voice notes through WhatsApp to let me know what them think about the song. You see me? That's my way of doing some form of song review. Now, this video that I'm doing is the type of song review that I told my viewers and subscribers in the other video that I would do. You understand? Now, I got voice notes from a few of my viewers and subscribers about the song. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play 2 of those voice notes for you, my viewers and subscribers. Let us hear what they have to say about the song. You know, I'm not going to really stay too long on this topic, but I want to make you, my viewers and subscribers, hear some form of feedback about the song. And big up to Uncle Mark. Alright? Alright, listen to these voice notes now. Observe.
Here dancehall skilla, a blaze attack, you see it? Venomous. That's from the word venomous. Right? No left. Say yes.
That one.
Yeah, good afternoon, General. We just listen to this song, you know? Cause we just come off your channel and yeah, I like the clarity and the punchline, you know? I like we sit down on the rhythm. Just them to keep up the hard work, man, and go and put in the work, you know? You will be successful one day. Cause the positive lyrics will push out, alright? Bless up yourself.
Yeah, me get some positive feedback about that song, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, and for those who want to go and listen to the song, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below. And if you click that link will take you to the song that is called Can't Return, that has been done by Uncle Mark. That song is on YouTube. Alright? Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about in this video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, skilla.